All right, so I'm going to show you how to do your Google Earth tour here so you can follow along with me as you watch this video. We're going to start in Google Earth by clicking on the Project tab over here and click New Project and Create Project in Google Drive. Okay, and you can just title it your name, and then you're going to pick a location. We'll start up in Canada, so you can go anywhere you want. I'm going to pick somewhere along this Hudson Bay here. And to capture then your place that you zoom into, you're going to click this left-hand corner. Ooh, there's a good image. Okay, you're going to click this left-hand corner capture button, and I'll just title it Canada. And then I'm going to push edit place. So I've made my first location here. There are 4 things that you need to put in here, right? So the first one is we're going to look at the biome. Okay. Looks like we're in kind of a water area in this Hudson Bay. So we're going to put aquatic biome. Yours might be different, might be a forest biome, grassland biome, desert biome. You can go to the geography vocabulary on Google Classroom, and it has a bunch of vocabulary that we've covered that you can use in this project. Okay. But if we go back here, I have the aquatic biome for number 1. So you find what your location's biome is. Then we're going to do the climate. Okay. Now we're pretty far away from the land here. So we are going to use our sort of geographic knowledge here, since we know we're up in northern Canada, and we're going to call it an Arctic biome or an Arctic climate up here. Okay. If you get a little bit further south, you might get into like temperate climates. Further south, you might get into tropical climates. If you're in a desert region, arid climates. But figure out what yours is. The third one, we're going to look at the location. Okay. Specifically the longitude and latitude. Okay. So to get the longitude, latitude of your location, just zoom out a little bit. If I push this minus sign. Okay. Then it's going to give me the absolute location down here. So I'm going to put 62 degrees north and 92 degrees west. Okay. And then if I go back in, the last thing that we need on our information box here is you're going to look around and find some vocabulary terms that we have discussed that is exemplified by your location. So, as we can see here, we are in a harbor. Okay, or excuse me, we'll call it a bay, Hudson Bay here. So let's put Hudson Bay. If we want to be more specific, this looks like a harbor because a ship is coming in. It looks like it can dock. Okay, but this one's actually called an inlet. So we'll call it an inlet. You can see the definition for that on your vocabulary terms. Okay, it looks like we have some industry, some populated area, but overall looks like a pretty low population density as we look around. So let's go low population density. Okay. And if you can get 2 or 3 terms for each location, then you're going to be in good shape. So that's all you need for the 4th one. Okay. So those are the 4 things you need. Once you have that, if you push the arrow back, then you're going to have your first location there. Okay. So if I click on it, it will pop up a box. It will show the location picture that you captured there, and it will say the 4 things that you typed in. And so you have to do that exact process for 10 locations. Don't repeat the locations, right? So that's my Canada location. The next one should be in a different country. United States, go down to Mexico, down to Central America, South America. Stay over here in the Western Hemisphere though. Okay, so stay in North or South America, since those are the ones that we have covered. Okay, so at the end of it, you'll have 10 locations total.